Welcome back. I'm so glad you chose to do this video. And the reason is because this is a really good self-care video. This is also helpful for if you have TMJ issues or if you just want to get rid of, some neck jaw tension. So today we are working with the Gua Sha. So mine looks like this. Feel free to use whatever shape you have. We're going to work through all of our muscles in and around here, in and around our neck. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm also going to show you some other tips and tricks for if you're dealing with a tight jaw. And for a lot of us right now, because of the masks that we're wearing, there's a lot of tension that's kind of happening in here. So this can be a really great thing to start to add into your daily routine. At the end of the day, when you wash your face, give your face a nice little Gua Sha massage in your spa at home. So here we go, guys. So let's start off just to say, if you'd like, you can use a little bit of moisturizer or oil on your face, but naturally your face does have enough of its own oils that you can use. Some people also like to freeze these and store them in the fridge or the freezer, and then use them if you like a bit of a cool massage. Maybe you're feeling a little bit inflamed, that kind of thing. That can also be something that you can do too. But mine is not cold today. I'm not really a fan of cold things. So yeah, here we go. So let's start by starting on the side of the face and basically just gently pressing into the face and sort of starting to comb your way down. So you can come, I'm gonna try not to hit my mic, but you can come right into the ear and press down and working up into the cheekbone and pressing down. And the reason why we're going down is because we want to sort of encourage lymphatic drainage. So we're pressing it downward so it drains from our face. So if you're also someone who suffers from allergies, so I'm starting to actually come down under my jawline now, but for allergies, this can really help with the sinuses. And for there, what you'd want to do is you want to kind of start to comb outward just under your eye and sort of under that sort of apple of your cheekbone. Good, so coming out, and there's no real one method to do this. You just want to kind of go through and do what feels right in your body. Your cheek may start to fire up and get a little bit red. That's good. That means we are encouraging circulation in that area, and it is all coming up towards the surface. So now we're going to start to move down the neck. If you find a tender spot, just gently work through it. I'm going to turn here so you guys can see. Good. Foot coming all the way down. Good. And you can come into the back of the neck. And then of course, coming into the top of the traps at the top of where your shoulder meets the neck. Really pressing in. So make sure to go through both sides for the sake of this video. I'm only going to show you one side, but this is such a great method. Another little trick I want to show you to do at home, especially if you're suffering with TMJ or a lot of tightness in your jaw, is the first one is you're going to kind of find the bottom of your earlobes and you're going to kind of stick your fingers right just in front of them so that when you open your mouth, you're going to feel the condyles of your jaw open. So we're going to start with the left side, which is probably your right, but whichever side, pick a side. And you're going to press in, so keep the pressure even between both fingers. So you can use just your index finger, you can use your index and your middle finger if you'd like. I'm going to use both fingers. And basically what you're going to do is keep the pressure even between the one side. The one side that you are working on, you want to press in maybe just a touch firmer, and then we're just going to open the mouth wide. And you are going to feel that resistance under the pressure, right? So some of you, this may have been a little more tender than you expected. Surprise! There's a lot of tension in there. So finding those spots again, and you're gonna go through about 3 times on each side, just pressing in to those sore muscles. Good. Good job. All right, and let it go, and give it a nice little massage. You can go over maybe the side that was a little more tender. Give it some extra love with the Gua Sha, my favorite tool ever. Last one I want to show you is this little spot right under your jaw. So what you're going to do is you're going to find where the bone coming down from your ear meets the corner of your jawline. So we're really going under that corner, and I like to stick my thumb under and just give it a second. And oh my gosh, you are gonna feel a little ball of tension in there. And again, one side might be a little tougher than the other. That's okay. Just breathe through what you can. I like to hold this for about 20 seconds or so. You can go in a couple times. Feel free to shift where your thumb is pressing into. You may find a little more of a tender spot in a different area. Yeah, just hold on to that and let it go when you're ready. And again, you can smooth it on out with the Gua Sha if you'd like at the end. So do it on both sides. See how that feels. Start to get into the routine. Add it into your rehab routine if you are experiencing some extra pain up in the jaw area these days, or just maybe add it to your self-care routine if it feels good to you. Why not? Just do it. Thanks again, guys, for joining. Leave me a comment below. Let me know how it goes for you. If you have any questions, reach out, and I am here to help you.